Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave Forecast Charts of the Day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 6th of August around 10:30 p.m. Eastern Times, and here we go with another Charts of the Day video. Charts of the Day is a session of Elliott Wave Forecast in which we present every day one of the instruments that we cover among the 78s in this session in the side here, in which we explain all the time frames of the instrument. Today we're gonna talk about silver. Silver belong to group one. You look into the charts as a member, into the side as a member. You click here. You look for silver here, right? You look for silver here, and you can see all the time frame from the weekly to the latest update here. Very simple to navigate. Now, before we jump into silver, this is how a WXY looks like. What is a WXY? It's a corrective throttle that it comes in 7 swing. The market does 1, 2, 3 or ABC. The market put back, it failed to make 5, right? It failed to make 5. And then the market does another 3 weeks back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the daily charts on silver. 1, 2, 3, up to here W. 1, 2, 3, it failed to make 5. And now we got 1, 2, 3. So the minimum amount of swing in silver on the daily correction, they are in place. Ideally, the market will go and it will reach that blue box area. Ideally. But I say ideally, and I mention because you already have the 7 swing lower, right? You already have the 7 swing lower. And even also, besides having the 7 swing lowers, this load here comes with no momentum divergency, meaning that the correction right here can be completed. In the shorter cycles, we believe that silver is doing a flat structure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and now breaking in 5 weeks. That idea of the flat is very interesting because it's a strong in momentum here, but after the 5 weeks, it will be a pullback. I believe that there's still a chance for another leg lower, but there is no guarantee. So at this stage, I believe at this stage that it is better to understand the structure. And the structure is a 3, 3, and 5. At this moment, silver is in the process of entering here wave 5 from the lows in the 4-hour at 717. Expectations are a new high. Expectations are here a new high, and then a pullback in 3 weeks, right? So a new high is a minimum a pullback in 3 weeks here after we finish the 5 weeks advance. A gift will be a break over here of this low, a risk off move to the 38 and something area. That would be the gift, right? So overall, the idea The idea remains still that it's going to make this push. We got to be careful, understanding that it's doing a flat over here, and consequently, as a flat, the C wave here, it needs to be in 5 weeks, and that now we are in the process of entering the 5 weeks before silver will pull back. Right? That's the idea about silver. Very technical, very good opportunity if silver is able to make this push. We don't recommend selling. As you can see over here, the right side is to the long. Hopefully, it's gonna reach it. If it reaches it, we would like to buy it. It looks like a flat for now, but the wave 2 might be completed here. We need to be careful. The minimum amount of swings are already in place. That's the video for today. If you like it, please join us. Take the 14-day trials here for just 99 cents. Have a good night, everyone.